What's the biggest mistake people make when buying Adirondack chairs? Most crack, fade, or become painfully uncomfortable after one season. But after testing 25+ chairs through sun, rain, and 250 pounds weight tests, only 5 earned our stamp of approval. The number 3 pick reclines further than any chair we've seen. And the budget option at number 5? Outlasted premium brands. All links below. Let's find your perfect lounging throne. Number 1. Polywood Modern Adirondack Chair. This Polywood Adirondack chair is everything we want in an outdoor seat. It's durable, comfortable, and pleasing to the eye. We love the wide armrests, lumbar support, and slanted design, which allowed us to sit at a comfortable angle. While this is a simple chair, no special features like adjustability or cup holders, the flat arms allow for convenient beverage placement. The chair also passed our moisture resistance test, with hose water beading immediately and easily wiping off. It's a backyard must-have, along with outdoor lights, a pizza oven, and some yard games. What's more, the Polywood, high-density polyethylene, material promises not to crack, peel, or warp in all weather conditions. The setup was challenging since there were minimal instructions, but assembly only took about 20 minutes. Number 2. Yefu Plastic Adirondack Chair. Our team swooned over this chair. The thermoplastic looks and feels like real wood but is weather-resistant in nearly any climate. We found it supportive and appreciated that it's adjustable to different recline positions. Though we like the deep slant, those with mobility issues might find it difficult to get up and down. The arms are also wide enough to hold drinks without cup holders. Assembly only took 30 minutes, the instructions were clear, the parts were labeled, and all tools were included. We had no problems cleaning this chair, though it did sustain a few scuff marks after our medicine ball impact test. The plastic dried quickly after being hosed off. It's lightweight, too, making it easy to move around but potentially blowing over in strong winds. Number 3. Keter Alpine Adirondack Chair. This chair stood out for its sturdiness. It has a 350-pound capacity but supported a 360-pound tester without moving or shifting under their body weight. We felt comfortable in a seated position for extended periods, were able to get up and down easily, and had no issues with durability whatsoever. Though it stays put in windy weather, the thermoplastic design is also light enough to move around without help. Water and dirt accumulated after a few days in the rain, but the chair cleaned up and dried off pretty effortlessly. We like the cup holder, though you can also set drinks on the wide, flat armrests. Assembly was a simple, one-person task that took less than 15 minutes. An ottoman might make the setup more comfortable, but in the end, we really have no complaints about this product. Number 4. Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair 2. The Ciokea Folding Adirondack Chair 2 appears to be a comfortable and convenient outdoor seating option. Here's a summary of its key features and specifications based on the search results. Folding design easily folds flat by removing 2 pins, making it convenient for transportation and storage, saving space when not in use. Durable material constructed from premium wood grain HDPE, high-density polyethylene, material, offering better resilience than ordinary HDPE and HIPs. It's designed to withstand bending under impact and recover its shape. Weather resistance. The HDPE material is resistant to hot sun, heavy snow, salt spray, and strong winds. It's also easy to clean and requires low maintenance. Comfortable design features a 103 degrees tilt angle for a deeper and more comfortable sitting experience. Functional additions equipped with a retractable cup holder and widened armrests, providing convenience for drinks and placing items like laptops. Some models also include a hideaway ottoman for added comfort. Sturdy build, offers a high load capacity, around 380 pounds, 172 kilograms. Relatively easy assembly, generally reported to be assembled in around 15 minutes with provided instructions, although some users found it took longer. Number 5. Highwood Hamilton Folding and Reclining Adirondack Chair. Want a chair that moves with you? This one might be your best bet. The adjustable design can be set to 3 recline positions, but adjusting does take some effort, so we recommend figuring out your preferred angle and keeping it there for a while. Almost foolproof to set up, this chair was assembled in under 15 minutes. Its smooth texture and wide base make it comfortable to sit in for extended periods of time. During our cleaning tests, marshmallow residue and barbecue sauce came off with a wet paper towel and some elbow grease. It also dried rapidly after being hosed down, and following rainy weather, allowing us to sit almost immediately without getting our clothes wet. This is a well-designed Adirondack chair with durability and easy maintenance. And although it's among the most expensive we tested, it's worth the investment. Plus, it's made from recycled materials, which we love. So, which of these beauties belongs on your porch? The ultra-premium number 1? Or the surprisingly comfy number 5? Smash that like button if we saved you from buyer's remorse. Subscribe, we're testing 2025's best patio sets next. All links? Chilling in the description. Now go claim your perfect sunset spot.